Hello friends and followers. Here's one more video on the national NC-300 receiver. I wanted to document how the strings look and go through. So you want to make sure that these strings go straight down to the chain drive on the band switch, and there's wires and things in the way. So you want to assure that these are not scraping anything down through here. Let's see if I can get a view into the jungle here. You can see that one is a pretty clear shot, the bottom one. So the bottom one goes to the bottom pulley per the diagram here. Top one is a little more sensitive to interference, as there's a lot of wires and stuff that it goes through. So you want to assure that these have a clear shot to where they have to go. And now that these are all routed, it's time to try to put them onto the turret. So that's the next step. I'll document that too. And how these look, let's see, down this way. I don't know if you can see them. There, you can see the chain drive right there. And how they look coming up through here. And let's give it a try. Let's see if it'll work, if it'll line up. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.